Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Facebook Messenger password. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Messenger app, which of course I've done right here. All right, from this home screen, head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have the three kebab menu. Click on that and it takes you over here where you have a couple of options which include chats, marketplace, message requests, archive, and of course at the top you have your profile name, and to the right of it you have the settings wheel. Click on the settings wheel and that takes you here. We have a couple of settings or options to choose from. You have the dark mode, you have active status, username, supervision, orders, payments, avatar, privacy and safety, notifications and sound, photos and media, your memories, free features, all the way down to the account center. Now, under Account Center, you have personal details, password, and security. So click on the hyperlink that has See More in Account Center. And that takes you over here. Now, under the Account Settings category, you have Accounts, Personal Details, Password and Security, Your Information and Permissions. You have Add Preferences, and you have MetaPay. Click on Password and Security. Over here, you have two categories which include login and recovery, and you have security checks. Now, under login and recovery, you have change password, you have two-factor authentication, you have saved login. So click on change password. Now, you have to choose an account to make changes. If you have multiple accounts, you're going to see multiple accounts, audio accounts displayed here. To select the account you want to make changes to, and once you do that, it takes you over here. Now, your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. So in this input box that has current password, you're going to have to input your current password and show that you have it at the top of your head. Then enter your new password, and once you enter your new password, go ahead and retype the new password. And once you do that, go ahead and click on change password. So you need to log out of all the devices. You can choose to log out of all the devices. Let's choose this if someone else used your account. So if the person wants to log into your account again, then the person has to use your new password. Once you're done with that process, go ahead and click on change password and your password will be reset. Another way to get this done is to log out. So let's say you want to log out of your account on the messenger. Of course, if you want to log out, you have to head over to Facebook to log out of the account, and it reflects in the messenger app. So once you launch the messenger app, in the login window where you have to enter your Facebook email address or your phone number, go ahead and click on forgot password. And once you click on forgot password, just follow the steps to reset your password. That way you'll be good to go. So you can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.